If you've been struggling to get your first 500 to 1000 subscribers, then this video is going to change everything. Because today I'm going to show you how to use a particular YouTube feature to get your first 500 subscribers or 1000 subscribers. You do it strategically and exactly the way I'm going to show you. You don't need to be a big YouTuber for this to work out for you. You don't need fancy camera. You don't need equipment. You don't need a laptop. All you need is your smartphone and the right strategy, which I'm going to show you in this video. And yes, I'm going to be teaching you how to get your first 500 subscribers with the new YouTube collaboration feature, the same YouTube feature that everybody is talking about, and it has been helping a lot of persons. I've seen like 3 creators exemplify how this worked for them. I'm going to show you in this video how you can actually apply this feature and make it work for you. You want to stick to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how to pick the perfect YouTube creator to collaborate with, how to use the collaboration feature correctly, and how to turn those new views into loyal subscribers. So what exactly is this new collab feature and why is it so powerful? YouTube recently added a new collaboration tab. It is a system that lets you add another creator's name directly to your video. When you upload your video, you can now add them as a collaborator, and your video appears on your channel's audiences. Now, this simply means that if the person you're collaborating with has 2000 subscribers, their audience will not see your video. Let's say, for instance, you have less than 1000 subscribers and you're collaborating with someone that has 2000 subscribers. The person obviously has more subscribers than you. So you can actually tap from their own subscribers using this collab feature. So imagine if you now collaborate with someone that has like 5000 to 10,000 subscribers. This is like getting free access to someone's fan base, but in a way that helps the both of you to grow. Now, this feature is still new and not everyone is using it yet. So if you act early, you're going to be ahead of thousands of creators. Early adopters always win on YouTube, remember. So this is like one of the topics that are trending on YouTube right now. So you can simply jump on this if you are a creator and try it. And towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually set up collaboration and collaborate with someone to start getting your views and subscribers very fast. This will actually help you not just for your subscribers, it will also help you to increase your watch time hours, because those people are going to subscribe to your channel and of course they're going to watch your videos, and by so doing your views are increasing and your watch time is also increasing as well. Before you rush and tag anyone, slow down. The right collaboration can actually grow your channel 10 times faster, but the wrong collaboration can hurt your channel 10 times faster. So here's how to find the right collaborator. You have to pick someone in your niche or very close to your niche. For instance, if you talk about YouTube growth, you have to find someone that talks about tutorials or productivity content, something that your viewers will also enjoy. Check the engagement of the person you want to collaborate with, not just their subscriber counts. Someone might have 5000 subscribers but only get 100 views. Instead, look for someone that has consistent engagement, real comments, and watch time. Another thing you should consider while choosing a collaborator is make sure that your energy matches with that person. If you're calm and educational, do not pair with someone whose content is loud or chaotic. Viewers simply notice when there is no chemistry. Another thing is you have to be genuinely supportive. Don't just message people saying, let's collab because I want to get subscribers. You can simply say something like, hi, I really love your videos on a particular topic. You mentioned the topic. I think we could create something valuable for both our audiences. Let's try the new YouTube collaboration features. Yeah, this is me saying that apart from the fact that you can join 2 videos from your channel to another person's channel, and then they will just come to your channel and start watching your videos, both of you can actually come together and make a video. They post it on their channel and you also post it on your own channel, and then you link the channel together. I'm going to show you how to link the channels together because that is where the magic happens. The way you actually approach a creator you want to collaborate with will determine if they are going to want to collaborate with you or not. And this is how to get a perfect collaborator. Now, once you get your perfect collaborator, here is how to plan your videos so you can get real new subscribers, not just random clicks. So you decide who uploads the video. You can upload it on your channel or the other person can upload it on their channel and then just tag your own channel, like join it together. Like I said, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now with this collab feature, once your channel is tied together, anybody that clicks on their video to watch, your names are going to be together. Once they tap on it, they're going to see your channel and the person's channel and they will just subscribe. Now I'm going to go to the YouTube studio right now and show you how you can actually set up the collaboration feature. So for us to do this, I'll quickly go to my YouTube studio. Okay, on the YouTube studio, you're going to see this plus icon here. You click on the plus icon. So I just want to basically do as if I want to upload a video. Let's say, for instance, I want to upload this video here. So I've added the video. If you scroll down, you're going to see invite a collaborator. You tap on it. Okay. Now you're going to see search for a channel. What do? You simply search for the person's channel. Okay. Let's say, for instance, let me search for a channel. So this is your finance coach. This is actually my second channel where I talk about how to make money online. Now, what do I do? What you do is, you see, if you look down here, you're going to see create link. Simply tap on create link. You copy the link. So I'm just going to go and paste this link somewhere on my WhatsApp. So I'll paste it here. Okay. So you tap on the link. And before you tap on the link, once you send the link to the person, you go back to the video you're uploading, upload the video. Once you upload the video and the person clicks on the link, you're going to send the link to the person you're collaborating with. Once the person clicks on the link, the person is going to say accept collaboration. And once that person accepts collaboration, is going to appear. So immediately you send the link to the person. Before sending the link to the person, you have to upload the video. After you're done uploading the video, you then copy the link and send to the person. Once the person clicks on the link, it's going to bring an icon for them to accept the collaboration. And when that happens, you're going to see that your channel and their channel is linked. Their audience is going to be seeing your video and your audience is going to be seeing their video as well. Now, it is one thing to collaborate, and it is another thing for the audience of the person you've collaborated with to actually become real subscribers. Of course, they'll be forced to watch the video, but you are not going to force them to subscribe. So how then do you force them to subscribe? Now, this is how to make this collaboration feature to fetch you real subscribers and watch time hours. Number one is to add storytelling. You need to understand that viewers will remember the stories you've told them, not just random tips. You can share how you both started your YouTube channel. Use open loops. You can say things like, later in this video, I'm going to show you the secrets that we both use to grow our channels. That keeps them watching longer because they definitely want to know the secrets. You can pin a comment under your video saying, subscribe to both channels to join our YouTube growth challenge. Another strategy to use is your end screen strategy. Simply add an end screen that leads to your next video. Something relevant like how to increase your watch time hours. Like simply go to your YouTube studio and add an end screen of a video that talks about how to increase watch time hours or your best video. And that way, after they finish watching the collaboration video that brought them to you, they can actually see other videos from your channel and keep on watching. People forget to subscribe most times, so always give them a call to action. Remind them to subscribe to your channel. Another way to actually get more subscribers with your collab is to share your collaboration video. You can share it on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. The biggest mistake that most creators make is that they upload and keep waiting. YouTube do not promote videos because you are waiting. YouTube promotes videos that you've promoted yourself. And after all this, ensure you track your growth on your analytics. Check your analytics. It tells you a lot of things about your channel's growth. Check where your viewers are coming from, your audience retention, your click-through rates, your impression. Check everything because this will actually determine how you're going to position your next video. I feel like I've said so much already. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.